Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into groundbreaking territory in the realm of video editing with Rave. Rave introduces a paradigm shift in video editing. Imagine having the power to seamlessly transform your video visions into reality with just a text prompt. That's the magic of Rave, and the best part, it's a zero-shot framework, meaning no additional training required. But what sets Rave apart? It's all about speed and consistency. With its innovative noise shuffling technique, Rave ensures that your edits are not only fast but also maintain the original motion and semantic structure of your video. Rave comes equipped with a standardized dataset for evaluating text-guided video editing methods. From object-focused scenes to dynamic human activities and beyond, Rave's capabilities shine through. Just imagine the possibilities. With Rave, you can unleash your creativity with simple text prompts, effortlessly transforming your videos in ways you never thought possible. So what are you waiting for? Experience the future of video editing with Rave today.
To install it on Windows, first we will navigate to the folder where we want to install. Type cmd in address bar and press enter. This will bring the command prompt. Next, follow the steps which are mentioned in the installation guide. We are going to clone the repository. Next, we will navigate inside the clone repository. Next step is to create the virtual environment. After the virtual environment is created, we need to activate it. Make sure it shows VENV before the path. Now we will install the torch with CUDA to utilize the graphic card. Once the torch is installed, next we need to install Xformers, which is mentioned in step 6. So paste the command and press enter. Once this is installed, we will install the remaining requirements using the command mentioned in step 7. When I launched the web UI, I noticed there is one module which is missing, that is Triton. So let's install that package. So I've added an additional step, that is step 8. You can copy this URL, paste it in the command prompt, make sure the virtual environment is activated, and press enter. This will install the missing package. Now that the installation is completed, let's see how to use this tool. So go to the Rave installation directory. In the address bar, type cmd and press enter. So the first step is to activate the virtual environment. After that, we have to launch the web UI. So the command for that is python webui.py. This will start the server. So the server is started. It is available on the local URL. So copy this URL and put it in the browser window to launch the URL. This will load the URL. So this is where we specify the input video. Here we specify the positive and negative prompts. Then we have different control types that are available. And there are some additional settings which are available here. So I have prepared one video of my own, which I am going to use. It's a small video. So I'm going to use a positive prompt. I will leave negative prompt as it is. I will use -1 as a seed. Rest everything I will leave it as default. Under configuration, since I have a low VRAM card, I did face the issue of queued up memory error. So to fix that, I have reduced the batch size to 2 and grid size to 2. So if you face the memory issue while generating, you can reduce the batch size and the grid size, and or depending on what settings works with you. And then we have to click on run all. So the process is now completed, and here's the output. Thank you.